everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to top up Bigo Live Diamonds. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Bigo Live on your mobile device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on Wallet. Now you can see various offers at the bottom of your screen. You can choose one according to your budget. Once you are done typing in your credit and debit card information, you can top up diamonds on Bigo Live. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.